Hi, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. here, your HHS Secretary. I'm proud to share a critical update with you today. The FDA is taking action to require full safety information to be included in drug ads on TV and radio. No more hiding vital information in small print or pushing it off to a website or a 1 800 number. Since 1997, regulators have allowed drug ads to avoid full warnings on TV or radio. They let the companies mention a vague major statement of risk and sent you elsewhere for the details. That loophole opened the door to a tsunami of misleading advertising. Drug ads drove up prescription drug costs and distorted doctor patient conversations. Patients saw glossy ads and often asked for new medications. Big Pharma's marketing hooked the country on prescription drugs. We're taking action to end that practice. Thanks to President Trump's memorandum signed last week, the wheels are now in motion to require every broadcast prescription drug ad to display its full safety facts on screen. Companies would have to list important warnings, common side effects, and dangers directly in the ad. It's all about radical transparency and ensuring that you stay fully informed. We're rebuilding trust between doctors and patients and stopping the over-medicalization. At HHS, we believe an informed individual is an empowered individual. When you make health decisions about drugs, you deserve facts, not half-truths. We're working to make sure that you get the facts.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.